Alright, what's going on, YouTube? Next video y'all see me in, I might have this bitch bowed. But alright, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the tire shop and get me a new tire because I do need a new alignment. I wish I could get the alignment and the tire in the same day. However, adulting, work life, not gonna balance that out. So, as you can see here, I am rubbing significantly, and I need new tires before it fucking blows up. Seems to be doing pretty well, but we don't want to chance it. So let's talk about tires. I have to replace my driver's side front tire. So up in the front, I'm running 205s, 45s, 17s. And then in the back is 225, 45, 17s in the back. I'll record them just to make sure that I'm right. But it used to be 215s in the front, but I changed it because I was able to have a better turning radius with a smaller profile. Instead of 215s, 205s actually worked out pretty well for me. The car handles nicely. I enjoy the fact that the Mercedes has that small wheelbase from the front to back, where it almost feels like I'm driving a Miata when it comes down to cornering. However, not fully, because it's still bigger and boxier. But we're gonna head to the tire shop closer to me. Alright, so at the tire shop. If I was Mr. Big Bang, so I'd get another one. There's Sam's tires. Usually when I before I went to Sam's and before I started going to the spot in Tappahannock, I used to go to this Southside spot called Emerald Tires. Sam's is pretty good. Yeah, the alignment is shit. The roads I be on is also horrible. Damn, that's bad. So yeah, of course I gotta get another fucking alignment, but we already knew that. So here's a better view of my aftermarket suspension, the lowering springs. Then as you can see, I have my aftermarket sway bar on the bottom. Put the tire on. And just like that, we are complete. Done. New tires on there. Rims a little wetter than what it would be. Ooh, Audi. Alright, after we got the tire change, boy EJ stopped by and see him at the shop. There he go, just standing there. Yo, I would have thought he would have been open today.
Yeah, you can be open today.
I mean, like before I went to work. I'll be at work at 5. You said what?
Putting it there, I'm going to get.
You going to get? Y'all see that? He said he popping out in this too. So it's not nothing slight. He not popping out in the Astro van. He popping out in the Beamer at GAT. So that means Terrence got to come to GAT. And this dude that drives this damn G35 got to go to GAT too.